friends, so we want to practice looking closely and thinking closely about nature, just like our artist friend Georgia did. So I have this paper for you this week, and if you look at the top, it says look closely, think about the following items and draw them in the squares. So let's look at the first one. Underneath the first square, it says something green. So you want to think of something green that you can find in nature. Then I want you to draw a picture of it right here. Now, don't think of anything too big. We don't want to draw an entire tree, for example. Think about something green that you can hold inside your hands. Okay, so the next thing, we have something rough. Think about something that if you were to touch it, it wouldn't be smooth. It would have a really rough feeling to it. So again, think of something that you can hold inside your hand. And the last one asks for something colorful. So again, think about something from nature that is colorful. Think about something that is smaller that you can fit in your hand. So I know a rainbow is very colorful, but that's not quite something that we can hold. So think about something a little bit smaller. So I can't wait to see what you come up with in order to practice thinking about nature and drawing it closely.